Dream magic girl.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So last night we didn't have any issues with the spot we got from iOverlander app. It was peaceful. Only one other couple in a small vehicle a little ways up the road. Today will be our second attempt at breathtaking Sombrio Beach, and we're going to find that hidden gem, a magnificent waterfall nestled within the rugged coastline. But our exploration doesn't stop there. We'll then venture to the picturesque Port Renfrew, Masachi Lake, and Naniamo for Naniamo bars, immersing ourselves in the natural beauty and charm of these coastal destinations. And to top it all off, we'll be staying at the incredible Living Forest R.V. park, where tranquility meets luxury. Get ready to join us on this unforgettable expedition as we discover the wonders of Vancouver Island's west coast. Definitely a smart bird. He's hanging around for more food. Alright folks, here's our second attempt at Sombrio Beach's hidden waterfall. As you can see, we camped not very far away, about 5 minutes. Surfers were already there early in the morning. This time we headed in a different direction from yesterday, in search of the waterfall. It was a bit of a walk, lots of rocks. Legs got a bit tired, but we were still smiling. Here's something for my tide line to alpine friend. Alright, here's the beginning of the trail into the hidden waterfall. Been waiting. Alright, I'm looking across the rocks without wiping out, hopefully. Thank God the shoes are dry. Shut up. Oh wow, even like we're under the roofs. Video, this is insane. I already see it, and it's just like absolutely beautiful. I'm dying to see this for like a long time. Brace yourself for a journey into a realm where magic and nature intertwine, unveiling a breathtaking sight that will leave you utterly mesmerized. As I stepped into the hidden alcove, time seemed to stand still, revealing a sight that defied imagination. Cascading down from the heavens above, a shimmering waterfall danced in the sunlight. In there? The vibrant emerald moss covered rocks surrounding this hidden gem seemed to come alive with an otherworldly glow. This enchanting journey will always be a reminder to me that there is always something extraordinary waiting to be discovered, even within the most unassuming places. Worth the walk, John?
Oh yeah.
Worth the wet feet.
Beautiful.
Now we're heading back to the car. Well, legs were kind of tired, so stopped and had a break. Checked out the scenery in this cute little bay. Really miss my dogs. All three of them. Wish they were here. Insane. Laughing lots. The little tree represents resilience, strength, and beauty in the face of challenges. The little tree standing tall in the lake symbolizes perseverance, growth, and the ability to thrive in difficult conditions. It serves as a reminder that even in the midst of adversity, one can find strength and power to endure. The image of the little tree in the lake inspires reflection on the resilience of nature and the human spirit. We're driving through Port Renfrew, which is a small community located on the southern coast of Vancouver Island. It was originally known as Port San Juan. The area was traditionally inhabited by the Hashidat First Nation. The name was later changed to Port Renfrew in honor of a retired captain of the Hudson's Bay Company. Port Renfrew has a rich history rooted in logging and fishing industries. Today, Port Renfrew is known for its stunning natural beauty, rugged coastline, and old-growth forests. The community has become a popular destination, offering opportunities for hiking, fishing, surfing, and wildlife viewing. We've now pulled over, and there's the tree I was talking about earlier. What a beautiful little inspiring tree. The water all around here is this incredible blue. The roads are windy, mountains in the background. One sad part was seeing land that had been burned by forest fires. Totally understand why we weren't allowed to have any campfires. Nanaimo, the Chase River area, actually. Probably gonna head and look for our RV spot. It was getting kind of too late in the day to go around Nanaimo, and we were tired. So enjoy the RV spot, and we'll do Nanaimo and Nanaimo bars tomorrow. Living Forest R.V. Park is a picturesque RV park located in Nanaimo, British Columbia. It is nestled in a forest near the shores of the Nanaimo River. The park offers a tranquil and scenic retreat for RV enthusiasts and campers looking to immerse themselves in nature while still being close to urban amenities. The history of Living Forest R.V. Park dates back to its establishment in the 1970s when the land was developed into a recreational vehicle park. Over the years, the park has grown and evolved, expanding its facilities and amenities to cater to all the needs of modern campers. Today, Living Forest RV Park is known for its well-maintained grounds, friendly atmosphere, and convenient location. The park offers a range of amenities, including full hookup sites, tent sites, cabins, and recreational facilities such as a swimming pool, playground, and walking trails. Visitors to Living Forest RV Park can enjoy a peaceful retreat surrounded by lush greenery, towering trees, and the peaceful sound of the Nanaimo River flowing nearby. The park's commitment to preserving the natural beauty of the area while providing a comfortable and welcoming environment for guests has made it a popular destination for RV travelers exploring Vancouver Island. Whether you're looking for a relaxing getaway in nature or a base camp for exploring the attractions of Nanaimo and the surrounding area, Living Forest RV Park offers a serene and scenic setting for your next adventure. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and comments are always welcome. I answer them. It's much appreciated. Have a great evening, and I'll see you tomorrow. We'll be having Nanaimo bars in Nanaimo and heading to Coombs for the goats on a roof. And then Little Qualicum Falls Park, McMillan Park, where the big trees are. And then finally finding a resting spot in Port Alberni on the Chase River with the bluest water. I really wanted to take a swim in it in the morning, but weather wasn't permitting. Maybe next time. Bye.